clippers. Professional pet clippers. So check this out. See what they look like. I have 2 dogs. Both need clipped. One's a mini Bernedoodle, the other is a golden doodle. And what was appealing about this to me was it looked like it was chargeable. And I could get within the paw pads. So that would be fantastic if I could do that. It comes with different levels, 3 millimeters. Oh, look at that. You can switch it around and you get both sides. That's really cool. So one side is 3 millimeter, this, and this side is a 6 millimeter there. So that, I have never seen one like that. So that's how they get so many sizes. So this side is 12 and this side is 9. So you'd set that in, hook that in, and then let me see how that goes. I'm not sure how that goes. Oh, right there. Okay. So then shave it. I guess I'm gonna have to charge it before I'd be able to use it, but that's what that electric pet clipper looks like. So you just plug it into another charging port. So